Right, we're working on this 2012 Dodge Durango here, and we're going to be replacing the front brake pads on this. Now these are the pads that I'm going to be going with, these ceramics. And these pads on this Durango are pretty bad at this point, so they're long overdue. Okay, we're going to quickly go over the tools that you're going to need. You're going to need a couple of C-clamps. I've got a 4-inch and a 6-inch torque wrench, foot-pounds. You're going to need a breaker bar and cheater pipe. They call for 130 foot-pounds on those lugs, but depending on how much somebody went at it with an impact the last time, they may be pretty tight. Just got a ratchet. We're going to be using 7/8. It fits the best. I think it's a 7/8. It fits those capped lugs the best. You're going to need an 11mm hex to get these slide pins. Now I don't have an 11mm and I could not find one anywhere, so you want to get one of those ahead of time and order it. But I'm going to make do with the 10. These slide pins are only 24 foot-pounds, so as long as you can get them loose, you'll have no problem torquing them with a 10. So we also got some spreader pliers and a little pry bar trim tool, and we may need to remove some brake fluid, and we need a container to put it in, and just some blue medium Loctite, and of course just our jack and jack stand. Okay, very first thing you want to do is chock your tire, front and back of your rear tire. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start breaking these loose. Got our 7/8, and you'll see how tight these are. I'm using my cheater pipe. Again, they're going to be pretty snug. So we're going to go through and set. I'm using the cheater bar on each of them. Okay, we got them all broke loose. Go ahead and get the vehicle lifted. And I'm just going to be lifting it right here. Go ahead and finish removing our lugs. Back here at the back of the cup, you'll have a couple of dust caps. Got another one down here on the lower. Alright, we're just going to start with our top one here, and if it gets stuck you may have to give it a tap. If it gets stuck on there, just give it a tap here and it should come loose. Okay, with the bottom one out, we'll go ahead and finish removing the top here. Now, let's just say that you do mess one of these slide pins up. Now, on the other side, someone had previously cross-threaded it, and this one was messed up. But you can go to AutoZone. This part number right here, they've got them in stock, and they're like $5.29. You can get you a couple of them, and it actually has a normal 7mm hex size on it. So you can look at that front one, it's like paper thin here. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and take our C-clamp, or both of them rather. Just going to position it right on here, right in the center. Okay, so now we need to go up top and look here. So we're going to come up here by the windshield wiper and the cowl, and we're going to remove our brake fluid cap. So we're going to keep a close eye on this, and as we're pushing that back, we'll just take out whatever we need to. We're going to keep a close eye on it. You don't want this overflowing. It's really corrosive, eat up paint. So we'll just continue to monitor that, and we're going to push these all the way back, as pretty much as far as they'll go. Just kind of alternating here. Alright, so we got it pushed all the way back. Now you can see our reservoir looks good. It didn't overflow. Go ahead and get these out of the way. Or we're going to go 24 foot-pounds. Let's get both of our little dust caps back in place. Just look at the difference, the thickness of. So hopefully with our slide pins greased up and everything, we won't have any more of this issue. But you could see, and then the other side was even worse than this side. Okay, these get torqued to 130 foot-pounds. I'm going to go in like a star pattern. And just check your fluid here and just refill it as necessary. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content on the channel, please, I invite you to subscribe, and thank you for watching.